Welcome to EmComm Solutions. Jake here. So today we're going to talk about attack servers, more specifically how to set up the Beartooth public attack server in ATAC to utilize your Beartooth radios. Well, really you're going to be using ATAC, but to get started you're going to have some Beartooth Mark II radios, ATAC installed on your phone, Android device, and have the Beartooth plugin loaded and configured, ready to go. So we're going to start from there. And this is not a tutorial on how to set up ATAC and do any of that other stuff. So if you're looking for that, I'll recommend a channel down below. The Tax Syndicate has pretty good videos on some of that stuff. And then at the end, we'll talk why would you even want to deal with a public server, and then what are some of the other options like private servers. So let's go.
I did quite a few guys coming in from the US loud and clear. So you, I think, dominate a lot. But anyway, I won't hold you.
Start by opening ATAC. Once ATAC's open, you're going to select the little hamburger menu up there in the top right hand corner, go down to Settings, then go to My Network Preferences, Network Preferences, Network Preferences again, the little gear. Then you're going to select the Manage Server Connections. Then go up in the right hand corner, three dot menu, and say Add. And then there's the public attack server is the name. You're going to type that in. Then you're going to go to the address after that. And then the address is, as you see there, beartooth-tac.duckdsn.org. You're going to type that in. I'll put all this stuff down below just so you don't have to pause and so on and so forth. You can just read in the About section. And then select Advanced Options. And you're going to go TCP and then verify the port is 8088. And then OK. Then notice the icon turns to green, showing you're connected. Next, you're going to want to go over to search, and you're going to go search my current location, or hide my. As soon as you type hide, you're going to see it pop up. Select that, and then select that so that other people can't see your current location unless you choose to share it with them. So, and then you're all set, and you can jump over and connect your radio if you want to. And then you're connecting your radio. Once your radio is connected, you're ready to go, and you're enjoying ATAC using your Beartooth Mark II. So device connected. You'll notice that when it turns green, the Beartooth icon turns green, it is connected. So pretty simple, but I hope this helps. So let's talk a little bit about public servers versus private servers and what are some of the benefits. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out all of our links that we'll have down below to include the details for the public tax server. So last thing, why even deal with a public tax server? Well, you don't need it to learn ATAC, but the more you add to ATAC and use it, the more familiar you're going to get with the program or the application. That way, when you are in the situation where you really do need it, you understand its full capabilities. You're not trying to click through there and figure out, because you can mess it up really quick. I have multiple times. I've been using ATAC for a while, but I have not used a tax server. Now, of course, a public tax server is not going to be something you're going to rely on in a disaster situation, but it's a tool that you could use to get familiar with ATAC overall and some of its capabilities. I'm going to continue to learn and play around with tax servers, and then eventually I'm going to build my own or buy my own tax server and set that up so that I have something, a portable one, so that I can utilize the immense amount of features that are available through ATAC. And yes, is it going to be available in all situations? No, it's not going to, but why not use a tool now, and then always going to the worst cases are kind of a tendency to go right to, well, all communication systems are down, there's no satellite, there's no internet, there's no nothing. And of course, that is a possibility, but it's not the most likely. And so during localized disasters and other things, sorry, I'm having thunder and lightning here. You're going to be able to utilize things like, the local Wi-Fi network, which an ATAC or attack server can create that network. And if you have some mesh nodes, you can extend that network to yes, a small area, but still available. Or you can also use things like Starlink, or if you have satellite or cell service and things like that, there's a lot of options out there. We'll explore those in future videos as I learn more and start mastering the big, big subject of ATAC. There is so much there to peel back and learn. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.